pleasant to everyone. This is A. Sandhya. I am currently pursuing Become Corporate Secretaryship in KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science, batch of 2019 to 22. Today we are going to see about the correlation. First, we are going to see meaning of correlation. Correlation is a statistical measure that expresses the extent to which two variables are linearly related. It's a common tool for describing simple relationships without making a statement about cause and effect. Now next we are going to see types of correlation. There are 7 types of correlation: positive correlation, negative correlation, simple correlation, multiple correlation, linear correlation, non-linear correlation, no correlation. Now we are going to see some explanation of these types. First we are see positive correlation. Both variable moves in same direction. Example, x increase, y also increase. If y decrease, x also decrease. Here we had tablet column, income and expenditure. Now next we are going to see negative correlation. Both the variable are in the opposite direction. For example, price and demand. Here we had tablet column, price and demand. Now next, simple correlation. Finding a relationship between two variables. For example, x and y. When only two variables are involved, it is known as simple correlation. Now next, multiple correlation. More than two variables is called multiple correlation. For example, income, savings and investment. Now next we are going to see linear correlation. The amount of changing one variable that is same as in another variables is called as linear correlation. Here we have tablet column x and y. Now next, nonlinear correlation. It means the amount of change in one variable does not same as another variable is to be non-linear correlation. Here we add tablet column x and y. Now last, no correlation. If a change in the value of one variable does not connect with a change in the variable of another variable. Example, weight of the person, color of his hair. Now next we are going to next topic of mathematics method. Carl-Pearson's method, Spearman's method, concurrent deviation method. Now we are going to see Carl-Pearson's method. In this method, there are two types: direct method and shortcut method. Now we are going to see direct method. This method is used when the variable are small in magnitude. It has two types. Type 1, r equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by root of n sigma x square minus sigma xd whole square into n sigma y square minus sigma yd whole square. Now next, type 2, actual mean. R equal to sigma x into y divided by root of sigma x square into sigma y square. Now next we are going to see shortcut method. assumed mean are equal to sigma dx into dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy divided by n divided by root of sigma dx square minus sigma dx the whole square divided by n into root of sigma dy square minus sigma dy the whole square divided by n. Thank you for watching my video.